Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, to my new subscribers, my name is Chinoyelum, and in this channel we'll talk about future beauty, lifestyle, DIY tips, and natural hair, and a lot of other good things that might come your way. But in today's video, today's video is going to be a natural hair video. I want to wash my hair. There is this DIY that I usually do to wash my hair, aloe vera shampoo. So I usually do it once in a while when I feel my hair is very dry, and the weather now is too drying for my natural hair, and I want to do a deep cleanse, but I don't want to strip out all the oils in my hair in the process of doing the treatment, of doing the washing. To be showing you how I make this aloe vera shampoo that I use to wash my hair, and let's dive into the video. What we'll be using for this shampoo is this is African black soap. This is, I've already shredded it. You can see I use my grater to grate it to this way. I didn't want to. I was actually making soap, my bathing soap, that I decided to remove some part of it to make soap since I wanted to wash my hair. So this is what the African black soap looks like. This is the one that I've not used. I'm sure you know what African black. So they have different types. Some people use Dudu Oshun, but this is the main African black soap. So this is where I shredded these things from here. This is the remnants of it. So what the first thing we'll be using is the African black soap. I've already shredded it to make the. Shredding will help the African black soap to dissolve really fast. You understand? So this is it. I'm going to go ahead and turn it into a bowl. I'm not going to be using all because I will make the one I'm going to keep. This one I'm making now, I'm using all immediately. I'm not going to reserve it because of the aloe vera. I don't want to preserve it for like 1 week, so I'll just make small batch. I'll use this one for the one I'm not. I'll use later to wash my hair because I just want to do a clarifying shampoo with this one. This one will be the normal African black soap. The video on how I make my African black soap shampoo is on my channel. I think I'll put the link in the description. But so this is the one I'm using for this my clarifying shampoo. So I'll just add water. This is distilled water. You can boil water. This is water that has already been boiled and cooled down to room temperature. So I'll just put it here and allow it to melt on its own. I'm gonna add more. The next thing we'll be needing is the aloe vera. I just plucked this one from my backyard. It's mature, but don't mind how small the leaf is. So I'll just take, need is the jar. Just scoop out the gel into my blender. So I'll be adding water to enable the blending go smoother. Aloe vera is well blended. I'll be sieving it out now to make sure we don't get any lumps from it. So if you want, you can reblend this one again and add, but I think this is enough for me. So fully melted, you can see it. It's fully melted now. The next thing we'll be adding is baking soda. More not even up to half teaspoon. So this is what I'm adding because I'm not making much. So I'm not adding much. Baking soda helps with clarifying the hair and cleaning the scalp. It also helps with scalp issues. Like if you have eczema, rashes, ringworm, then I'll be adding apple cider vinegar because it's a good cleanser too for natural hair. So this is a clarifying shampoo. Let's say 1 tablespoon because this my spoon is really small, so I'm just adding small. So give it a good mix, and you can add your African black soap. You can see it has sand, so you have to be careful when pouring it. That's why I poured enough water because I don't want to pour in the sand. You can see the sand under it, so you have to be careful. While mixing it, so I'll add just a few drops of oil. This is a peppermint oil that I made at home. I'm going to be posting a video on how I make my peppermint oil, but this is peppermint oil, so I'm going to be adding just 1 teaspoon of it, and I'll be adding black castor oil, just few drops, not much, just few drops of it. So I won't be adding much oil because I'm going to be doing hot oil treatment before I wash my hair, so that I don't lose too much oils from my hair and still get deep cleansing that I'm going for. So this is our mixture. This is what our mixture looks like. So I'm very sure it will give your hair a very good sleep while you're washing the hair. You can see it. So I'll go ahead and pour it in my applicator bottle. Aloe vera. So it still remains. I didn't use, or it didn't enter. So I'll use this one to wash the hair. The other one, I don't even know what I'm going to do with it, but for now, this is what we have. So this is what we have now. I just transferred it into my applicator bottle. This is what the aloe vera shampoo looks like in the bottle. So I'll go ahead and do my hot oil treatment, and I will come back to show you guys how I use it. But right now, this is my hair. On hot oiling my hair or pre-pooing my hair, I don't know the one you choose to call it. So this is what my hair looks like now. I'm going to You can see that the soap lathers really well, and it also clarifies your scalp, you know, detoxify your scalp. If you have any scalp issues, the apple cider vinegar and the baking soda will do the work of treating those infection or those issues like ringworm, eczema. The black soap also heals scalp issues. So three super ingredients combined together. Aloe vera is it balances your hair pH and help to keep your hair moisturized and shiny, and the oils will help to make the hair not to look dry after washing it. So I'll just go ahead and run into the shower now and wash the hair, and I will come back to see you guys. But this is what this is how much the thing lathers. I've not added water, so once I add water now it will lather more than this. This is just the soap I apply to my scalp and it's already lathering. So that is the end of the video. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Join this amazing family. Share and comment. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.